these are Pisew Falls. So these are Pisew Falls. Here, basically just a little roadside stop. It's like a 5-minute walk down to the falls from the parking lot. The parking lot is also where the trailhead for the Constituent Falls starts. So we figured while we were here, we might as well check out this one. So this is Little Limestone Lake. Just off the highway on our way home, so we figured we'd stop. This, when the sun is high in the sky, this lake is very blue. Pretty cool spot. Back on the road after checking out Little Limestone Lake. It's too bad the sun wasn't a little higher, but we'll definitely come back. We'll bring a boat and check that lake out. And now we are just en route to get some gas and then find a place to pull over for the evening, and then we'll be home tomorrow. Our last little stop of the trip, again just kind of off the highway on our way home. This is Steep Rock, Manitoba. This is Lake Manitoba, the northern side of Lake Manitoba, but the water's nice and blue. And There's cool cliffs and stuff here. You can see a little bit of it right there. There's a whole other section with some cool cliffs that we're gonna go check out. At it again. We just saw this from the road. It's a little tiny train, and you can't see a little tiny train and not stop and look at it.
Manitoba road repair for you. Apparently constructed and ended.
We finally made it home from our Northern Manitoba road trip. It was about 2,000 kilometers. We stayed at 4 different campgrounds and one night in the backcountry at Manitoba's largest waterfall. It was amazing. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you haven't seen the videos, please check them out. Yeah, overall amazing time, and I hope you guys join us on our next adventure.